Okay, so now I've got my X, I've got my side pieces in the correct place, and all I want to do now is I want to get my corners in the correct place. And basically what I've got to look at, and it's a little bit of a mind bender, but I'm looking at the three colors that I have here, and they've got to be between those three centers. And honestly, right now it looks like I don't have anything. Well, that's not a problem. We're going to learn an algorithm that, again, you learn this algorithm and you're going to figure out how to do this stuff pretty quick. So the algorithm's pretty simple, and all it's doing is we're moving things around. And if you think about how this algorithm is going to work, this corner piece right here is going to stay in exactly the same place during this algorithm, okay, the bottom right corner. And you're going to move this piece over here. So let's just see what we got. So the yellow, blue, and orange is going to stay here, and I'm going to move this piece over here. So that's right now is the yellow, blue, and red, okay? And I actually want that over here because then it'll be in between the correct spots. So what I do is I go left, up, then I go right, and back, then I go left, up, right, up. And what I've done is you can see that the yellow, blue, and orange has stayed right where it was, and that piece that was over here is now right here. So there's my yellow, blue, and red. Now you can just practice this and just practice the algorithm because you'll be able to figure it out if you just get that algorithm down. So left, up, right, back, left goes down, up, right goes down, and then the up goes back one to line up the centers. Okay? That's it. It's very rhythmic. Okay? And all I'm doing is I'm not paying attention to the colors right now, right? I'm just kind of doing the rhythm. My speed cube works a little better for this. Ooh, that was not as beautiful as I wanted it to be. You're just kind of practicing how to get that going pretty quick, right? You're just practicing over and over again, and you're just trying to get it so that you can do that algorithm quick, and that'll help you to solve it a lot faster as well. Okay, so what am I actually going to do? Well, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a piece like this that is in the correct place, okay? And if I don't have one that I can use, then I've got to make it happen, right? So this one only has one in the correct place, right here. So I'm going to keep this on the bottom right side, because you remember that's the one that's not going to move. And then I'm going to do that algorithm and move this piece over. And this piece will move as well. It'll move over here. So these pieces basically trade spots in this direction. So this one is my yellow, blue, and red. And that's actually exactly what I want over here, so that's great, because I'm only going to have to do this once. And then, when I do my algorithm, oh wow. So that one actually worked out great for me, because that put everything into position. But that doesn't help us, so let's do a different cube. Let me find one, let's see. So this one doesn't have any in place anymore, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and figure out, well, which one do I want to move? So let's say I want the red, yellow, and green piece. And I think it's right here. Yep, there it is. So remember, if I do my algorithm, this is going to go over here. So that's perfect for me. I'm going to do my algorithm. Left, up, right, up counterclockwise, left back down, up, right back down, and then up counterclockwise again. And there's my piece. Awesome. So this is in the wrong place. So now what I'm going to do is I want that in the corner here. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a three-sided corner here that has red. And once I have the corner that has red in it, I'm ready for the final stage. Okay? So at this point, because I know this is the right color in the right place, I'm only going to have to do this a maximum of 2 times. I don't even need to check what these are. I'm just going to go ahead and do it. And boom, there it is. So I don't even have to worry about it. It's already in the right place. And I'm lucky enough that this lined up as well. Usually it doesn't, so you're going to have to do something about that. But now all of the corner pieces are in the correct spot. They might not be in the correct orientation. So that'll be in the next video. And you are so close to finishing.